Good morning everybody, class 5. Now I am running on your classes with revision work, and yesterday I have already completed revised revision chapter 4E. Today I start the revised chapter revision work chapter 4F. 4F, the subject matter of 4 is subtraction. How you do the decimal subtraction. Okay, now I show you some rules and then I subtract some maths, division math, decimal subtraction. Okay, now it is 4F subtraction rules. Arrange the decimal numbers in columns, place the decimal point one below the other, fill the gaps with zeros, subtract the number starting from the right, bring down the decimal points at the same place. 1. Subtract the following: 9.450 minus 6.159. 9.450 minus 6.159. That is 0. That is 10, 1, 9, 1, 5, 1, 6, 9, 1, 1, 2, 2, 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, that is answer 3.291. B. 8.417 minus 2.19. 8.417 2.19. Fill in the gaps with 0. This is 7. 11 minus 2, 2. That is 1, 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. That is 8 minus 2, 6. And then C. 8.479 minus 2.036. That is 8.479 minus 2.036. That is 9 minus 6, 3, 7 minus 3, 4, 0, 4 minus 0, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 6.443. D. 19.553 minus 8.716. 19.553, 8.716. It is 13 minus 6, 7, 1, 1, 2, 5 minus 2, 3. Then 15 minus 7, 8, 81990, that is 110.82837. Then I repeat it again. Arrange rules, subtraction rule. Arrange the decimal numbers in columns. Place the decimal point one below the other. Fill the gaps with zeros. Subtract the numbers starting from the right. Bring down the decimal points at the same place. Subtract the following: 9.450 minus 6.159. 9.450, 6.159. 10 minus 9, 1. 5, 1, 6. 15 minus 6, 9. 1, 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 3.293 answer. B. 8.417 minus 2.19. 8.417, 2.19, gapping 0. That is 7. 11 minus 9, 2. 1, 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. That is 8 minus 2, 6. 6.227 answer. That is C. 8.479 minus 2.036. 8.479 minus 2.036. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 4. 8 minus 2, 6. That is 6.443. D. 19.553 minus 8.716. 19.553, 8.716. 13 minus 6, 7. 1, 1, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 15 minus 7, 8, 819901, 10 plus 837. So this is your subtraction. Now I came to multiplication, exercise 4G, that is multiplication of decimals. Rules: ignore the decimal points and first of all you have to forget the decimal points. Put the decimal point in the product counting from the right so that the number of decimal places in the product is same as the number of decimal places in the given decimal numbers. That is 12.501 into 6. That is 6 1 is 6, 6 0 0, 6 5 is 30, 0 3, carrying 3, 6 2 is 12, 3 15, carrying 1, 6 1 is 6 1 7. That is 71 1 2 3. 3 के बाद decimal, that is 75.006 answer. 1. Multiply the following. A. 9.45 into 8. 5 8 is 40, carrying 4. 8 4 is 32, at 4. 36, carrying 3. 8 9 is 72, at 75. So 1 2. 2 के बाद point, so 75.62 answer. B. 45.17 into 1.9. 45.17 1.9. 9 7 is 63, 3, carrying 6, 9 1 is 9 is 6, 15, carrying 1, 9 5 is 45, 1 46, carrying 4, 9 4 is 36, 4 40, 5 4 1 7, that is 7 1 5 4. Okay, that is यहाँ पर multiply the sign. Then 3 7 5 12, 1 1 2 6 2 8, 5 4 4 8. That is carrying 1 2 3. 3 के बाद decimal, that is 1 2 3. So 85.823. That is C. 6.45 into 1.36. 6.45 1.36. 6 5 is 30. Carrying 3 6 4 is 24. 3 27. Carrying 2 6 is 36 38. 3 5 into 3 5 is 15. Carrying 1 3 4 is 12 1 13. Carrying 1 3 6 is 18 1 19. Into 6 4 5. That is 5 4 6. That is 0 7 5 12. 5 1 6 3 9 9 8 17. Carrying 1 4 1 5 9 5 14 3 17. 1 6 1 7 1 8 8.1234. So 1 2 3 4 8.7720. Okay. D 1.002 into 6.75. 1.002 1.1002 6.75. 5 2 is 10. Carrying 1 500 5 1 is 5 5 1 is 5. 7 2 is 14. Carrying 1 700 7 11 is 77. 6 2 is 12. Carrying 1 60 6 11 is 66. That is 0 4 1 5 2 1 3 5 1 6 7 5 12. 7 6 13 and 14 6 1 7. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7.426350. Okay. 15.13 1.9. 9 3 is 27. Carrying 2 9 1 is 9 2 11. Carrying 1 9 5 is 45 6. 4 9 1 is 9 at 4 13. So 1513 into 1 1513. 7 3 1 4 6 1 7 5 3 8 1 1 2. It is 1 2 3 1 2 3. It is 28.747. I repeat it again. 4Z, that is rules of multiplication. Ignore the decimal points and multiply. Put the decimal point in the product counting from the right so that the number of decimal places in the product is same as the number of decimal places in the given decimal number. 12.50 into 6 equal to 75. 75006, that is 75.006. 5 1 2 3 के बाद point. Multiply the following. 9.45 into 8, 7560, that is 1 2. So 75.60. B 45.17 into 1.9, that is I have done it. So 85823, 85,823. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So 85.823. Then 6.45 into 1.36, that is 6.4 1.36. If I do it here. 87720, that is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 8.7720. D 1.100 to 6.75, that is if we multiply it, that is 7426350, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7.426350. 15.13 to 1.9. 15.13 1.9, that is if we multiply it, that is 228747. 1 2 3, that is 28.123. So 28.747. Okay. Start 4H, that is division of decimals. Rules: divide as we do the whole numbers. Put the decimal numbers exactly over the decimal point in the dividend. That is A 9.45 divided 3. 3 3 is 9. 0.4 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So 3.15. 1.25 divided by 2.5. 2.5 1.25, that is 25. 2 के बाद decimal. So यहाँ पर 0 बैठा था वो. So 2.50. This is 1250.0. So point. So 5 21 25. 0.5. Okay. C 18.45 divided by 9. 9 2 is 18.4. नहीं गया 0 5 4 5 9 is 45. So 2.05. Answer. That is D. 27.09 divided by 3. 3 9 are 27, so 0.0933 are 9.03. E 48.16 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48 minus 0, so 0.1, negative 0, 6, 8 2 are 16, so 6.02. F 1.899 divided by 9, 9, so 9, so 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 0, 0 point, so 9, 9 0, negative, so 0 0, 9 2 are 18, so 9 9 0 0 0, 9 1 are 9, so 900, so 9 1 are 0.211 answer. Okay, division of decimal. Division of decimals rules. Divide as we do for the whole number. Put the decimal number exactly over the decimal point in the dividend. 9.45 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9, 4 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So 3.15 answer. 2.5, 1.25. That is 0, 0 cardiac, so 250, 15, 0.0, so 5. 5 into 250 equal to 1250, 0.5 answer. C 18.45 divided by 9. 9 2 is 18.4, negative 0, 5, 4, 9 5 is 45, 2.05. That is D. 0.27, that is 27.09 divided by 3. 3 9 is 27. Point, so 0, 9, 3 3 is 9, 9.03. 8. 48.16, 8 6 are 48, is 0.1, negative 0, so 8 2 is 16, 6.02 answer. F 1.899 divided by 9, so 9. So if we bring it natural number, so 0, यहाँ पर 3 0, so काट गया, so 9,001,890, 0.0, नहीं गया पर 0, so 8 9 2 जा 18, so 8 18, so 990, that is point, so 9 1 जा 9,000, so 9,000, so 9 1 9,000, that is 0.211 answer. Today I revised chapter 4, G, E, F and G, and today I revised exercise chapter 4, exercise F, G and H, and you have done all these sums, you have practiced all these sums at home, and next day I start chapter 5. Okay, thank you.